How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can take pictures using Rockstar Editor in FiveM. So the first thing that you want to do is to just position your character where you want to take the photo. In my case, I'm going to do that right here. You can simply do this with a car and basically anything else. So what you want to do is to hold Alt on your keyboard, or you could just navigate through the character selection. And from here, you want to press F1. As you can see, we have the start recording option. So I'll just click on F1 and then it will start recording. So I'll just go ahead and walk it this way. And then of course, you could do a whole bunch of stuff. So you have a lot of room to customize your photo the way you want to. So right after, let's go ahead and click on save recording. It will then save automatically onto the Rockstar editor. You want to navigate through the last option, which is the Rockstar editor right here. Inside, simply click on the create new project, click yes, and then you want to click on add clip, select your clip, and then from here, let's click on the edit option. Basically, of course, you could take your photo the way you want to, or you could just play out your recording. And then in my case, I'm going to simply take my photo to this specific shot right here. So you could just press the tab button in order to take the Snapchat. And from there, you will be able to take photos using the Rockstar editor. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.